Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new code that you can redeem in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. On December 25, the developer has just released the Christmas Hacker event, and there is a new code that we can redeem guys to get present, and the code is gift giving. Wait, let me go to this menu and I'm going to show you the code. The code is gift giving, like this, and you just need to click on redeem. And I have already redeemed this code, and after you redeem it, you will get this present. Wait, okay, this one, the epic present. And you can give this present to Santa at the factory. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem the new code in Fish It game on Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!